Good morning. Today is May 9th, Monday morning. Oh, Mondays. But today in our devotional, it says, set your focus on Jesus. Psalms chapter 119, verse 2. Blessed are those who keep his statutes and seek him with all their heart. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 21. Test all things, hold fast what is good. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you. Romans chapter 8, verse 5. Those who live according to the flesh set their minds on the things of the flesh, but those who live according to the Spirit, the things of the Spirit. Proverbs chapter 4, verse 25. Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you. Colossians chapter 3, verse 1 and 2. If then you have been raised with Christ, seek the things that are above, where Christ is seated at the right hand of God. Set your minds on the things that are above, not the things that are on earth. And Hebrews chapter 12, verse 1 and 2. Let us run with endurance the race God has set before us. We do this by keeping our eyes on Jesus, the champion who ignites and perfects our faith. And at the bottom it says, with binoculars, everything that is far away becomes beautiful and in focus. But sometimes when you look at the things close up, they seem distorted. When your focus is the world, you will see all the chaos, and God will be a vague image that doesn't fit in. When your focus is set on God and his kingdom, you can face the world that is out of focus. That's why Noah could build an ark, Daniel could stand in a lion's den, and Paul could sing in jail. Their focus was on God. And that's a good devotional this morning. It kind of goes with what we talked about yesterday. And if you haven't watched that video, I will post it. It'll go somewhere. It'll go somewhere here. So you can go back and watch that about when you're isolated and lonely, staying focused on God. He'll help you through anything. He does me. He helps me each and every day. I need him each and every day. All the things that life throws at us and what the enemy tries to put in our heads and, just thoughts and things. I need him every day. He's my strength and my rock, definitely. But I hope you ladies had a wonderful Mother's Day. And you got to see your families and got many, many blessings from them. You all deserve it. I love you guys. I love the comments that you leave. And I guess that's all. I will post the video from yesterday somewhere here, so you can just click on it and it'll go to it. I know everybody was probably busy with their families, so go back and watch it. This devotional this morning fit right in with it. Right in with what I talked about yesterday. So God's amazing. But I love you guys. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description box below. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Love you guys. Bye.